Yeah. We're having some squash. This is our first time with squash, huh? We're getting it everywhere. Okay. Ready? Open up. Mmm. What do you think? Is it good? You want some more? Yeah. Good boy. Mmm. You're getting it everywhere. Mouse? Good boy. Really like squash, don't you? Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. A little bit more? That's a good boy. You should probably wipe your mouth, huh? It's hard to hold a video camera. Yeah? Excuse please, I gotta get that mouth off. Gotta wipe. Yeah, a little bit more. More? Do you want some? A little bit more? I don't think we got any in there. We got close though. Okay, I guess that's enough video for now. Say bye. Say bye-bye, Ethan. Yay!